Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. My name is Rusty. Welcome back to another video. We are working on this car again. It is a Toyota Camry Solara that I bought on COPART. And if you guys watched my other video, I bought it off COPART. Auto Nation sold it to me. Well, they sold it to COPART and I bought it from them. So this thing is not pretty at all. If you guys watched my first video, you'll see I pretty much went over the whole car, explaining all the little issues. And today we are here to finish it completely and tell you guys exactly how much it cost me. First step is gonna have to be the tires, because there's one flat one, the other ones are all bald, and I have all of this rust showing up because everything needs to be touched up. Paint. This hood is so ratchet, man. I'm sick of looking at it already, and I'm sick of looking at these yellow headlights. We're gonna have to buff these headlights. I'll show you guys exactly how I do it, but the first step has to be tires and alignment, which we got the tires right here. I bought some, let's see what the brand is right there. It's called Otsu. You know what I'm saying, Otsu brand. Bought these tires. They are $48 a piece. So let's put these tires on. Alright guys, I've installed all the brand new tires. Here are my old tires. As you can tell, they're bald on the inside right here. This one's completely shot. That one's completely shot, and that one. They were all different tires, different brands, and they were all shot. So next step is some bad news. So yeah, you guys know what these are. These are tie rod ends that go to the steering, and that connect to the steering rack right here, and it comes up to the knuckle and connects right here to the assembly right here. And this is the old one right here. This one's not bad condition, but this one right here has a lot of, I don't know if you guys can hear it, has a lot of back and forth play like that. So it's bad. I have brand new tires on here, and I'm going to be doing the alignment. These needs to be changed. Only actually this one needs to be changed, but I went ahead and did both of them, so not to waste my time. I'm already having this off, so might as well do all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and install both sides real quick. I'm using that special tool right there to unscrew the tie rods from the outers right there, I mean the inners, and it makes it pretty easy. I bought that tool right there for like $5 online like a year ago, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these, and then we're gonna do the alignment. Alright guys, the tie rods are done. It took me about 30-45 minutes for both sides for all of those pieces right there, 4 pieces. It wasn't too hard, but it was kind of a pain in the butt if you do not have the right tools. I'm just letting you know, guys, I did not have to change those tie rods. If there was good tires on this car and it didn't need alignment, I would not have done the tie rods. It's just a quick flip. This car is still reliable without doing the tie rods, but since all the tires were bald and it needed an alignment, I might as well do it right and do the tie rods. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the suspension part and the rims and the wheels. I mean, all the wheels were nice and straight, not bent or anything. Next step is to take it to the alignment machine. We'll get the alignment done, and then we have to take care of the body somehow. We have to do these headlights. We're gonna go ahead and buff these headlights and start touching up this whole car. Oh wait, actually I forgot that we actually have another glass right here, and this glass is cracked. Let's change this glass first. I bought this piece of glass. I don't know if you guys can tell right there. It's double-sided for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I bought it on eBay for about $15. It comes with M3 double-sided tape, and I'm guessing you put 2 here and 2 here, and then you take this off. I'm not... What the heck? Somebody already ghetto rigged it, but you can tell these clips has to clip on top and then click back down. So, and I need this plastic thing, so I'm gonna scrape this glass off of this plastic thing right here, and then I'm gonna glue, where is it, this glass right here to this piece, and that should do it. I'm gonna remove this sticky tape right here, this Velcro tape. I'm gonna remove it and put this new glass on. That is way better. The other thing looked like it was somebody just took a fist and freaking smashed it. So yeah, that's done. Let's go ahead and start buffing these headlights and taking off all these stickers with the razor blade, and all of these from COPART with the razor blade. Yeah, let's get to it. And there it is. It's getting a little dark, but as you guys can see, way better than it was. Only took me about 20 minutes. I didn't even bother taping up this with tape because the paint's already ratchet, but I mean, you guys can tell that it looks so much better, way better. All right, next step is we have to take care of this paint job, touch up this car a little bit. But last thing we need to do is pop the hood and clean the engine bay. Excuse me. All right, guys, we have finished cleaning the engine bay. It is way better than it was. I got the battery on trickle charge right now because I left the lights on for about an hour and the battery died. Whatever happens. But as you guys can tell now, the engine bay is completely finished, and I went ahead and cleaned the outside of the car. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video or not. It's pretty clean. Next step is to get some touch up and fill up all of these holes right here. We'll go around the whole car, and there's a strip right there that we need to touch up. Just go around the whole car pretty much and touch it up. So this is what the hood looks like before the touch up. And this is after the touch-up. Looks a lot better, especially from 3 feet away. You can't tell that it has touch until you get closer. You can tell that I touched it up. The color doesn't match exactly because the hood's already faded, the bumpers is already faded. The fender I touched up right here. It looks pretty good because the fender is still not as faded as the hood, but the color itself matched up pretty good. So that's it. I really can't do much here, guys. I'm not gonna repaint this whole car. The profit margin on this thing is very little. I will tell you guys the price at the end very soon. Last step is to clean the interior. This interior is pretty dirty, but it's not too bad. I just need to get a trash can and clean all this out, wipe the seats down, the dashboard, the ceiling a little bit, just stuff here and there, clean out the trunk, and let's get this thing cleaned up, and it's almost ready for sale. All right, guys, it is finished. I am done with this car finally. Good thing this wasn't wrecked or anything. I just literally cleaned some stuff up here and there, did alignment, tires, and ended up looking pretty decent. I mean, as you can tell, it is an old car. It's almost 20 years old. This is the best I could do. So we're just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna explain to you guys how much exactly this car cost me and the winning bid. Price reveal. You guys ready? Price reveal. Winning bid is 600 bucks. 600 bucks for this car. Not a lie, guys. It was 600 bucks with fees, COPART fees. It was $915 plus $200 dealer fee, $150 to ship this car to me. And I also replaced that side mirror, was $15. I paid about $200 for all of these tires, brand new tires, and I did the work, so that's, you know, free 99 right there. I also replaced the tie rod ends, cost me about 70 bucks. Did the front end alignment, 40 bucks, and then the touch on paint was 10 bucks. So total right now, sitting complete, ready to go for sale, is 1,600 bucks. 1,600 bucks, guys. The interior ended up cleaning up pretty well. There's still some spots here and there, but it's an old car. I'm just gonna leave it like this. The seats are pretty good condition. This carpet came out pretty clean compared to this side, but it's okay. Back seats were already pretty clean. Nothing to worry about here. And that's it, guys. This car is ready for sale. I think I'm gonna be posting it up for about $3,000, trying to get at least 2,600, make my G, and that's it. I appreciate it, guys, for watching, and see you on the next one. Deuces.